Build on your success by taking advantage of ARA Professional Development Pathway programs. Designed for ag professionals with all levels of experience, they work to increase employee engagement, talent retention, and even to help your bottom line. These ARA programs are available to anyone, but ARA members get the best rates and are first to know when registration opens. Don't miss your chance with these opportunities. ARA legislative fly-ins are hosted at least once per year to empower members to make their voice heard on Capitol Hill and at U.S. regulatory agencies. Watch the ARA website for details on the next ARA fly-in. The ARA Navigator 360 program is an online leadership assessment tool built just for the ag industry to quantify the gap between individual leadership skills and the leadership the organization needs. Anyone can benefit from this assessment and can work toward sharpening their leadership skills and opportunities. The ARA Rising Stars program is a unique and valuable way to recognize, develop, and reward your organization's top performers and future leaders. This program is sponsored by Atticus. Engage for Ag Leaders provides the tools and training to empower members of the ag retail industry to effectively communicate with consumers and the general public. Sponsored by Corteva Agriscience, this program is designed for all employees from sales and communication staff to top executives. Take your career to the next level with the ARA Management Academy. Sponsored by the Purdue University Center for Food and Agricultural Business, managers, leaders, agronomists, and salespeople will find value in this program as they share ideas and identify new tools, opportunities, and best practices in the ag retail industry. Get the insights needed to deal with sustainability issues and concerns by participating in SPARK, Sustainability Programming for Ag Retailers and Certified Crop Consultants. With this effort, program partners, including ARA, provide the online learning modules and field resources needed to help start or grow a sustainability program that meets the needs of your farmer customers. Support for this program comes from the Midwest Row Crop Collaborative. Responsible Ag Auditor Training is another way to bring more value to your business and your customers. This training for ag professionals will give you the tools needed to become a certified auditor to ensure the safe storage and handling of fertilizer products at responsible ag facilities. ARA webinars are a way to give your team a competitive advantage in the year ahead. Industry-specific topics on up-to-the-minute issues give you an opportunity to gain insights and post questions directly to subject matter experts, and then get the answers you need in real time. Build connections and sharpen skills with Leadership at its Best, a program sponsored by Syngenta for emerging leaders in ag retail. You'll improve communication skills and gain experiences that will help you lead and meet future challenges. This program includes training time in both Raleigh, North Carolina and Washington, D.C. In 2022 and beyond, you can count on ARA's Professional Development Pathway programs to help you climb higher and achieve more in ag retail.